Wondering how to sign up for Prime with a credit card? In this video, I will show you exactly how to sign up for Prime with a credit card, how the billing works, and how to activate your membership safely using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. If you want to sign up for Prime with a credit card right now, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Prime sign-up page. Let's start with how to sign up for Prime with a credit card step by step. First, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. This ensures you are on the correct and secure page. Second, sign in with your Amazon account. If you do not have an account, create one for free. Third, choose your Prime membership plan. You may see monthly or annual options depending on your region. After selecting your plan, you will be asked to add a payment method. To sign up for Prime with a credit card, enter your credit card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Make sure your credit card has sufficient balance and is enabled for online transactions. Once your credit card details are added, confirm your Prime membership. Your card will be charged according to the selected plan, either monthly or annually. If a free trial is available, your credit card may not be charged immediately, but it will be stored for future billing. Always check the details shown on the official page accessed through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Now let's talk about what happens after you sign up for Prime with a credit card. Once your payment is confirmed, your Prime membership becomes active instantly. You can start using benefits like Prime video streaming, fast shipping on eligible items, exclusive Prime deals, Prime reading, and other included services. If you ever want to update or remove your credit card, you can do it in your account settings under payment methods. Before signing up, always review the membership price, billing cycle, trial availability, cancellation policy. To see the exact price and terms for your region, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That is the safest way to sign up for Prime with a credit card and avoid incorrect information. So to summarize how to sign up for Prime with a credit card, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Log into your Amazon account. Select your Prime plan. Enter your credit card details. Confirm your subscription. After that, you will have full access to Prime benefits. If you are ready to activate your membership, open the description and click the official and real link in the pinned comment now.